Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write a Christmas song using AI. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Now search for openai. This kind of page will appear. Scroll down. Under featured, you can see this option of ChatGPT. Click on it. Again scroll down. Click on this option, try ChatGPT. Now you have to log in or sign up. If you have already created the account, you can easily log in. If not, then you have to sign up. As I have already created my account, I'm gonna log in. After you log in to ChatGPT, this kind of page will appear. Now at the bottom side, you can see this chat box. You have to type in there, write a special Christmas song. And then you have to click on this arrow. Now in few seconds your Christmas song will be ready. You can see that my Christmas song is ready. If you are not satisfied with this one, you can click on regenerate response and it will create whole new song for you. In this way, you can use AI to create Christmas song. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.